Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how to use the switch in Material UI. So let's begin the tutorial. So whether it is you whenever we have a condition like whether you want to enable or disable or turn on off such kind of functionality that you want from the front end, so you can use this one toggle, this one switch button, so on off button. Okay, so how we are going to use it, let's have a look. So we have this one Material UI switch we are going to use. Just pass the switch with the label you want to pass, then default check, then we have a, or you want to get the value, then we have a function that is handle change event. So here you can get the event console.log, console.log event dot target, target dot value. Okay, let's see what we are going to get it from this event. Let's console. This is defined, so what exactly it is? Assignment to declared undefined variable. So you can also use this handle change event dot target dot value, event dot target. We can print what exactly they are going to print. Let's see, or you can make it alert, event dot target dot value alert. So I think value is not passed here, I guess, so it will not going to add it over here. Event dot target dot value is not defined. You can also, is it again compile issue? I think button is not showing over here. I think this function issue. Okay, you can see that we have alert on, then we have off. Whenever it is turn on, so you will get that this is on or off. So you can see that is on, then we have off. So this how we can get the target, where you can target it or you can get the value on the behalf of event dot target dot value, right? So this is how we can add the switch in React JS with the help of the Material UI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.